I'm Shivansh Pandey, a resident of Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I'm currently in the first term for the degree level in the IIT Madras BS degree for data science and applications, and I'm also pursuing an on-campus BTech in computer science and engineering. I particularly appreciate the fact that every course starts from the very fundamentals and then it progresses to harder and more abstract concepts. This ensures that as the term progresses, the abstract and difficult concepts that would have been impossible for me to understand at the very start become intuitive and simple by the end of that course. Furthermore, the weekly and graded practice assignments help to find the blind spots in what I've learned in the week. And this ensures that my knowledge is complete for that particular concept before I progress to the next concept. The reason for all that is the instructors and the TAs who are always ready to answer any question and solve any doubt, regardless of how simple or silly it may be, and the enthusiasm of the professors, which makes even normally complicated and uninteresting topics like a journey into this unknown, magical world that I've never seen before. I remember in Stats 2, Professor Andrew was teaching us about Markov, Chebyshev, and Chernoff rules way back in the foundational level. And he talked about how it seems like they are the Russian mafia out to get you. But just understanding that makes it simple. They are not the actual Russian mafias. So that added a little bit of humor to a complicated situation and made me remember that till date. Professor Arun Rajkumar, who taught us MLT, his intuitive and geometrical explanations of what actually happens in machine learning algorithms made understanding them a breeze. Then there was the interesting and conversational way in which Professor Madhavan and Professor Venkatesh taught us computational thinking. The live interactions and boot camps that Professor Sudarshan conducted for Python. I can literally go on for hours and will not run out of things to say. It is all these things combined that have made this course, as I said before, perfect. As for the skills that I've learned, I believe that I owe most of my skills to this course and how it is presented, be it machine learning, web development, databases, and so many other things. Another thing that surprised me the most about this course is how concerned everyone, all of you, the professors, instructors, TAs, support, administration, how concerned you all are about helping us. Be it the message, do your best and forget the rest that we receive just before every exam from our team support, or extending submission dates if a portal issue has prevented a few of us from submitting the assignments at the last moment. The live sessions where the teachers entertain even the silliest of our doubts just to ensure that we understand the topic. Answering thousands of those questions on discourse, thoughtful gestures like this and more made me, and I'm sure every other student, feel greatly valued by you. And it means a lot to all of us. Actually, that has left me in a real dilemma. Thanks to the sheer breadth of things that we have been taught, ranging from data science to machine learning to programming to web development, there are so many things that I can pursue after my graduation or my degree is done. My personal interests right now are more towards the data science and the machine learning part, probably thanks to the way Professor Arun Rajkumar taught the MLT course. But right now, I'm literally undecided as to what I would do after the course is done. And for all the students, I would think that is the exact thing for all the people who have studied from this course. The sky is the limit to what we can do after this degree is complete. And that is all I have to say. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, ma'am.